Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Water.
Water who?
What are you doing telling jokes when we've got all these packages to unbox?
From the Spiral Dimension.
Hello, and welcome to the Spiral Dimension. I'm Doctor Von Hoot. This is the Magic Badger. Say hello, Magic Badger.
Hi.
Yep, today got a small stack of parcels and then one really nice slab to open, which I'm very excited about. So let's crack on. I'm the foggiest what this is, as per usual. So,
Spider-Man.
ooh, I forgot I bought that. Completely. Amazing Spider-Man issue 259. I'm pretty sure it's a key, but I can't remember why. Something to do with the Hobgoblin, maybe? I love the Hobgoblin, so I'm eventually going to try and track down all of the appearances of Hobgoblin, because he's eggs. My favourite of the Spidey villains. Favourite of the Spider villains. Enunciate. Maybe neck and neck with Mysterio. Like Mysterio quite a bit as well, but probably I lean a little bit towards Hobgoblin. Never liked Green Goblin nearly as much. Weirdly. You probably don't know anything about the Hobgoblin, do you? Because Green Goblin's the only one that's been in the film. Yeah. Okay. Next up, a few things here. First up,
Spider-Man.
oh cool, Spider-Punk issue 2. Yes, well that fits in nicely for later on. That's very cool. Really love the design of that version of Taskmaster. Have I talked about Spider-Punk?
A bit.
He's like another one of the universe's Spider-Men, and everything is sort of punk and rock, metal-y sort of feeling. So this guy's their version of Taskmaster, and he is like loosely based on the character loosely based on one of the band members from the Misfits. So that everything's sort of vaguely punk themed and rock and metal themed. That's cool. Presumably there'll be another one of those here. Yeah. By the way, that's bending. Okay, what else have I got there?
Grim.
Oh, Grim 2. Cool. Brilliant. In that case, I suspect this is another Grim 2. Yeah. Another one. I actually haven't read Grim 2 yet. I loved Grim 1, so I really need to get around to it. Yeah. That's pretty... Yeah, I should do that. It's cool. Then finally, I suspect there's 2 of these as well. And if it came with Grim, I'm assuming it's a Grim variant, because I tend to buy them together. Nope! Oh, cool! Yeah, so Miles Morales Spider-Man 39. Haven't read it yet. It hasn't got that far in the app, because I read all the Marvel on the Marvel Universe app. That's awesome. Really glad to finally get that. Right! They were pretty cool. Very chuffed with those. They've been lying on the side for ages as usual, and because I never know where I buy anything from, I had no idea what it was in. So, okay, I've got myself a slab here. Yeah. Essentially a bit of news broke last week, and I sort of panicked and thought I already intended to buy this, but it sort of put me in fast forward a little bit. So let's open it up and I can explain the rest of it. Any guesses? Boom. Amazing Spider-Man issue 10 from the previous run. And it's in a 9.4.
Wow.
Yeah, Spider-Verse Part 2. Why is this cool? Because it is the first appearance of Spider-Punk. So I really didn't want to miss out on this, you know, at a reasonable price, because let's just say Spider-Punk takes off like Miles did and it just becomes prohibitive. Whereas I thought I'll get on it now and get a proper key of the man himself. I like Spider-Punk, I love the idea of it. And this has got a cool cover as it is, so that's nice. There's a variant cover that I quite like to get as well, but that one is pretty pricey already, so I don't think it's going to happen. But yeah, very chuffed to have this in the collection. It's very nice. It's a shame it doesn't say on the notes about it being Spider-Punk's first appearance. It's a bit of a surprise. I think it would. Then on the back you've got an advert for the game. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, right. So that's my big get for this month, I think. Right, thanks for your help, Badger. And please like and subscribe to the video, comment down below, all that sort of usual jazz, and we will catch you next time in the Spiral Dimension. Peace!
From the Spiral Dimension.